Howdy, my name's Elsie from the team at 99designs by Vista. In this video series, we're going to delve into the design contest process and how each stage works. So you've signed up for a design contest and the qualifying round has begun. It's like the Olympics, but with designers instead of athletes. The qualifying round lasts for 4 days for most contests. But if you're running a web and app design contest, you'll have to leave it open for 6 days for design entries. During the qualifying round, your contest is open to our designer community. Eligible designers can join in and submit a design based on the brief you provided when you launched. While you're getting these designs coming through, you can also start providing feedback to your designers. You can do this by using the star ratings, leaving a comment, and using the annotation and markup tool to help articulate how you feel about the designs. Being active and checking in regularly in the qualifying round can be really crucial for a positive result. The more you react to the designer's submissions and give them feedback, the more engaged they will be and produce designs that fit your needs. Once the qualifying round ends, no more designs can be submitted to your contest. You will take a break to select your favourite designers to work with in the final round. Here, you will shortlist up to 6 designers and continue working on their concepts to reach a design you're happy with. If you want to see more designs and open your contest back up, you can use our self-service extension option to add a few more days on. It's important to only pick designers if they have already submitted a concept that you could see as a potential winner. Making a choice here will define who will potentially be the winner of your contest. So it is important to not rush this. And that's it. Your first round is now complete. To recap on how the qualifying round works. The qualifying round is the first round of a design contest. This round is open to new designers to submit designs based on your brief. It runs for 4 days, with the exception of web and app design contests, and those who purchase the fast-tracked option. You should leave feedback at least once a day and check up on your contest for messages from your designers. If you need more time in the qualifying round, you can use our self-service extension option. Thanks for watching and see you online at 99designs by Vista.